Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining about the SuperVisa Insurance Canada website. Let's get a tour of SuperVisa Insurance Canada website, SWIC, and I will try to explain how to run the insurance quotes for SuperVisa Insurance in very simple and easy steps. So this is the homepage of the website SWIC, that is SuperVisa Insurance Canada. This is the home page, and you can see there are 4 modules: SuperVisa, Visitor Insurance, Travel Insurance, and the Life Insurance. So first I am doing here the SuperVisa. Just click on the insurance you are looking for, and then you can see there is a quote form which you need to fill out. These are just the basic informations which the system needs to give you the prices as per the age of the applicant. So if it is a single coverage, then click on the single coverage. Then either fill the date of birth of the person or just give the age of the person. Let's say I'm going with 70 age. Start date and end date you can select it from here. And then for SuperVisa Insurance, the system automatically takes 365 days for the tour, for the trip, because SuperVisa Insurance is always for 1 year. The coverage amount, if you are looking for 100,000, 150, we have the prices up till 1 million. But yes, 100,000 is the minimum requirement while we are applying for the SuperVisa. So I am going with minimum requirement, that is 100,000. And then we need to click on the option whether we need to cover the pre-existing medical conditions or not. If there are any conditions, medical issues the person is having, if we want to cover that, then we simply click on yes. And if the person is totally fine and we do not need to cover any medical issues, then simply click no. Let's get the prices with age 70 for 365 days, coverage 100,000, and no any pre-existing medical conditions covered. Simply click on get quote,